turning your Windows PC into a hotspot, a desktop with a wired connection, and a phone that needs Wi-Fi, a hotel with one cable and 3 devices. Your Windows machine can become an access point, and it takes about a minute. Open Settings, go to Network, then Mobile Hotspot. First, choose the source, using the Share My Internet Connection drop-down, which lists your available connections. Then click Edit to set the network name and password and choose the band. If your devices are nearby and you want speed, pick 5 GHz. If range matters more, 2.4. Switch it on and it appears as a normal network. A few practical points. Windows shows a list of connected devices so you can see who's using it. There's a setting to switch the hotspot off automatically when nothing is connected, which saves power. Your adapter has to support hosting, which most modern ones do, and expect the machine to run warmer.